So me, Paul and Gio are currently at the MTI in Hinckley. So Gio, what are we doing here?
Well, Chloe, it's a really good question. Well, one of MTD's core values is education, and we're becoming very heavily involved in education, and this is one of the most educational institutes that we've visited today, especially in the automotive industry. We're doing a bit of a collaborative event with ZEISS Industrial Metrology in the months to come, and we're looking to do some presentations to students at this facility to try and educate and change perceptions about engineering to the wider audience.
We are an automotive engineering facility. We teach engineering at all levels. So we have a skills escalator and you can jump on at any level and go from the basic level 1 courses in MOT, learning MOT standards, or right up to PhDs. You can do a master's in connected autonomous vehicles and we can cover all ranges of training. We also do CPD training in all of the emerging technologies, so cyber security, hybrid vehicles, connected autonomous vehicles, that sort of thing. And then we also do quite a lot of STEM with local schools, and actually we're looking nationally now with thanks to the virtual opportunities we've got.
What I love is kind of the autonomous vehicle training, the hybrid fuel cells, the cyber security. I think these are really exciting subjects for students to learn, but you also kind of teach them how to actually make componentry too, and you've got the jigs and fixtures that you can clearly illustrate how these mechanical components work within an engine or a gearbox. It's just an absolutely fantastic facility.
Thank you. Yeah, we were really lucky. We were funded by local government, so that the funding's enabled us to buy quite a lot of demonstration kit and on emerging technology. We're also lucky in that we've got an industry partner, MIRA. They're an industry partner. They're on the same site as us, so we're able to integrate that into the coursework. You know, we can have guest speakers come in on certain subjects when they're training right from the lower levels upwards. So it really enables us to do quite a lot more than the average.
Of course, so this is the MIRA Technology Institute. We're an automotive training facility. We have 5 partners, which is the lead partner, North Warwickshire and South Leicestershire College, an industrial partner, which is MIRA, which we are on site with on the MIRA Technology Park. And then we are joint with 3 universities, which is Loughborough University, Coventry University and the University of Leicester. So we have different apprenticeships in all different areas. So we do engineering, motor vehicle, product design. We've just developed a new course with our industry partner and Coventry University, an educational partner, on connected and autonomous vehicles, and that's a master's. So we're bringing education and industry together to deliver that course, which will be held here at the MTI. So there's a wide variety of courses that the students can get involved with, but they can come in at any age and any level. So we do CPD courses, which may be for industry professionals that want to upskill in different areas. So in the new emerging technologies, they could come here to learn more about that technology, or someone starting at the very bottom of their career, a level 2 maybe on an apprenticeship scheme, they could also study here.
During COVID, Lisa, the operations director, told us that, you know, they had to do a lot more digital lessons from home, and the digital aspect of the learning has really kind of come to the forefront. It was always there, but it's definitely come to the forefront. But they've got a lot of practical demonstrations inside, which again we've never seen. Kind of some of the which it really kind of shows the componentry involved in the gearbox, in the engines. So the students are really learning what the actual components do in regards to their applications, not just looking at a component and kind of seeing the dimensions of the component. They can actually physically see how it works.
So if you're interested in what MTD CNC are going to be filming, then keep in touch, stay tuned.